Here's another idea. One part stands out in a grouping. Some groupings are all of the same object, like a bowl of fruit or oranges. So the question is, how do I make one stand out? There are a number of ways. You could have one with a stem and a leaf, while the others are bare. You could wrap one in cloth. You could have one bigger or smaller than the others. There are a lot of options. So here you have an arrangement of shapes. So how do you make one stand out from the other? On the left, you have what is known as a horizon line, and you make it darker. On the bottom of that one, bottom left, you have a crooked line that has more space around it than the others. Then, on the top right, you have a crooked line that has more space at one spot than the other. It spreads out from the others. And then the bottom right, you have one that is mixed in with all the others, but it's different somehow. So how do you do this? Look at this painting. You have red all over, but there's one area that stands out at the top middle. It has a blue teal color that comes up, and then at the top it has a blue-green, not a blue-green, but a yellow-green that comes down. So what we notice most is that reddish spot in the top third. In this one, all the lines are converging, and then in one spot it breaks apart. So that's like a cloudburst. So you have lines at the bottom, even though they're a different color, and the ones at the top all kind of come together in one spot where they break apart or amalgamate, one of the two. Here's a waterfall, but again, it's mostly an arrangement of shapes. You have a very small shape, which is the waterfall, and it's lighter in color, surrounded by two larger shapes. The one on the right is smaller than the one on the left, but they're darker than the waterfall, which is very light. So that's another way of creating emphasis. Here's your assignment. Pick one of the compositional formats and try it out. You can work realistically or abstractly. It's your choice. Again, if you have time, try them all. The more you practice, the better. See you in the next section.